So it rained last night, but it's been about 12 to 14 hours since it rained. Driveway's dry, car is 100% dry. Let's check out the hatch. A couple little pieces of water still on the hatch here. Let's open it slightly, get a look underneath here. Keep opening. Appears out of nowhere, coming from right here on inside the hatch. Doesn't happen on the other side. This side's dry. Every time I open this side, this water that comes out of this seam drips down onto the carpet here and then splashes on the trunk tray a little bit. So where is that water coming from? Can you guys give me a comment below? Let me know if you've had this problem. Thanks, guys.